quick walkthrough of my mining shed builds. Plus, it's like a tree fort for my kid. Built this table into the framing. Got this little light, just powered off these batteries and solar. My wiring's a mess. Got a couple rigs. I sold 6 GPUs recently. Trying to get a couple more running. I got my 5 GPU rig here and my 6 GPU rig there. All running good. I also charge this car off that battery in there. My kid's car. And I built this shed for about $1,500, maybe $1,000. This one costs about $3,000. Better materials, bigger building. Poured this slab a couple weeks ago. I think it was 3 weeks ago. I poured this slab. Yesterday I hooked in some, or 2 days ago I hooked in some DC lighting. Lights it up pretty good when it's dark. Just running off the 12-volt battery to a charge controller. And it's actually charging right now, even though there's hardly any sun. But yeah, this is gonna be my man cave shed. Just whatever, storage. Got like a vaulted ceiling in the middle. I don't know, I built this thing pretty much all by myself. I got like 6 hours of help on it in 3 weeks.